Meanwhile, the Santan police are investigating a series of robberies at the RIU Hotel in Ocho Rios. This after reports earlier this week from guests that their belongings were taken from their rooms while they slept. Anthony Lugg reports.
What's the sense? What's the sense if you're not safe? My mother could have get the car and say, my cousin dead. And them not look on the part there. It's like we're overreacting.
A guest at the RIU Hotel recounts her experience staying at the hotel recently. How it all unfolded remains a blur. She says she woke up to a ransacked room and some of her belongings were missing.
We can't tell what happened. We don't know if we were molested. We don't know if there's a picture of us out there because we don't remember nothing of the night. We don't know if it's a case where, oh, they drugged us, they did something. We don't know. And then it's like they want to cover it up. Up to now, they haven't given us a good explanation.
And to make matters worse,
we're not the only one that got robbed last night, and the other neighbors don't even know what happened to them.
Our news center spoke with one of those persons.
Like someone came into the room with me and my son and stole all of our, my bag, his wallet, all of my cash, my passport, my ID, my credit cards, my car keys, our phones, house keys, just everything that we have, like personal belongings.
If struggling with that was not already a task, the woman complained about how the hotel handled the matter.
They made it seem as if I was lying about what took place or I didn't know where my stuff was. They kept on saying, oh, they have to go search the room. But I told them we teared up the room like 3 times already. And I know I had my bag. Somebody was in my room. When I went into my room last night, I seen my son's cell phone on the bed. I seen his wallet on the dresser. And I put my cell phone on the nightstand on the charger.
When our news team visited the hotel, we observed this scene of crime van leaving the property. Police sources have also confirmed that several reports were made at the Santans Bay police station and that investigations are being conducted. For those affected,
this could have went completely different, you know what I mean? Like if me or my son or one of these ladies would have woke up in the middle of the night while somebody was in their room, like something else could have happened. You know what I mean? Somebody could have lost their life.
In the meantime, we contacted Director of Sales at RIU Jamaica, Nerka Garcia Linton, who told us to send our queries via email and the hotel would then respond. However, up to news time, we did not get a response. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.